Yep, happy new year. It's a new year. It's 2021. Okay, happy new year. I'm El Proto. This is All One Pro Studio, and today I want to show you something we did for Christmas. That is this beat. We did a Christmas song on Afrobeat, and I want to show you something from there, and that is how to make your sound full. Okay, now what we have here, it's a clap. Let me play it for you. Okay, you hear the sound of the clap. I bounce down the track here. So the rest of the track is here. Okay, so let's go to that clap now and find out what's up with it. Okay, so what I did here, I brought down the clap. I used two of it. One is an octave lower, while the other one is an octave higher. So let's hear it without the higher one. No. Let's hear it without the lower one. And let's hear both of them together. Again, let's hear it without the higher octave one. Now let's hear it without the one on the low octave. Ow. So let's hear both together. So this is one way to get your work to sound full. I remember I've done this on piano. You can just try it out. You don't have to use it on everything. Maybe you use it on something and it doesn't work out. It's not set on stone. You can change it. Another thing I did here, I added this crash sound to it. So the volume is really low. Let's hear it with the crash. Let me remove the crash. With the crash. Okay, so this is what I did on the beat. Let's hear everything together. Let me take it back. With the crash out, the crash in. So hope you've gotten a thing or two from this video. I'll leave this song in the description of this video, this Christmas song on Afrobeats. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section of this video. To share this video, yeah, it's a great thing to do. At least you give somebody the information and you help the person and you help the channel too. Lots of help, so many help. All right, like this video if you like it, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, and have a great year. I'm El Proto. This is All One Pro Studio. That's it.
Wish you a Merry Christmas.